Imagine this. It's dinner time, and instead of steak or chicken, you're serving up grasshoppers, crickets, or worms. Sounds crazy, right? But edible insects could be the solution to some of the world's biggest challenges: hunger, climate change, and even nutrition. Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of edible insects and explaining why they might just be the future of food. In many parts of the world, eating insects is completely normal. In Thailand, fried crickets are sold as snacks. In Colombia, ants are roasted and eaten like peanuts. And in Africa, caterpillars are a common source of protein. Over 2 billion people eat insects as part of their regular diet. But here in the West, we don't see bugs as food. For us, they're pests, things we swat away or spray with insecticide. So why the huge cultural difference? Historically, even Europe once ate insects. But as farming advanced and food became more abundant, insects lost their place on the menu. Let's talk about meat for a moment. We love it. Steaks, burgers, bacon. But producing meat comes at a huge cost to the environment. Raising cattle, for example, requires enormous amounts of water, land, and feed. And let's not forget the methane emissions. Did you know producing just 1 kilogram of beef takes over 15,000 liters of water? That's insane. Insects, on the other hand, are much more sustainable. Producing a kilogram of crickets uses just 1 liter of water, and they create almost no greenhouse gases. They can even be raised on food waste, turning garbage into valuable protein. Imagine the impact if we swapped even a fraction of our meat consumption for insects. And here's the kicker. Insects aren't just eco-friendly, they're also incredibly nutritious. Look at this. 100 grams of crickets have more protein than beef or chicken. Plus, they're packed with iron, calcium, and even B12, a vitamin many of us are deficient in. Cricket powder is especially popular because it's easy to use in cooking and it doesn't look or taste like bugs. Insects like mealworms are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, similar to fish, so they're a great option for anyone looking to eat healthier. Now, I get it. The idea of eating bugs grosses most people out. That's the biggest hurdle, getting people to see insects as food, not pests. But here's the thing. When I tried my first roasted cricket, I was surprised. It's crunchy, nutty, and honestly not bad at all. Many companies are already using insects in products like these. Protein bars made with cricket powder. When ground into flour, you don't even realize you're eating bugs. See? If I didn't know better, I'd think this was just a regular snack. Presentation is key. Insects are also starting to show up in modern cuisine. Chefs around the world are experimenting with dishes like cricket risotto, mealworm burgers, and even desserts made with insect flour. This pasta, for example, is made with cricket flour. It's high in protein and has a mild, nutty flavor. Let's give it a try. Delicious. And if no one told me, I'd never guess this had insects in it. The possibilities are endless. Now, you might be wondering how insects are farmed. This facility, for example, raises millions of crickets in small, climate-controlled spaces. They grow quickly, need minimal resources, and are ready to harvest in just a few weeks. Insects like these can even be fed on food waste, making the whole process even more sustainable. Compared to traditional livestock, insects are less likely to carry diseases and don't require antibiotics. It's a win-win for the environment and for us. So why should we care? By 2050, the world's population is expected to hit nearly 10 billion people. Feeding that many mouths will require us to double food production. Insects could play a crucial role in solving this problem. They're scalable, sustainable, and nutritious. The United Nations has already recognized edible insects as a sustainable solution to global food insecurity. And with products like cricket chips, mealworm pasta, and even insect-based pet food already on the market, they're becoming more accessible every day. So what's stopping us? Sure, eating bugs might seem strange at first, but it's all about perspective. If we can move past the ick factor, insects have the potential to revolutionize how we eat and how we protect our planet. So what do you think? Would you give edible insects a try? Let me know in the comments. And if you've already tasted them, tell me what you thought. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more food explorations. Who knows, your next meal might just have a few legs in it.